Hi, my name is Professor Rock, and quick one, I want to do this video sharply. So I want to show us, there are many ways to do this, okay? I want to show us one of the simplest way that you don't need to go using software or doing, just simple to search for title or a title that people are searching for on YouTube, okay? So you just come on YouTube. Just come on YouTube like this. Let's say you want to search for how to sell. So hope you saw. Okay, let me open another tab. See, YouTube. Just type in. You can do this with your phone. Just type in youtube.com. Okay, youtube.com, and it opens. Then you search for. Let's say you want to make the title of your YouTube video to be how to sell online. Okay, now it just come here such as how. Did you notice anything? The moment you type how, it brings you so many how to stop Facebook's notification in my Gmail, how to. This might be things you yourself have typed, but most times it is something that people are searching for. It will bring up here. So these are what people are searching for to bring them up. If you click make money online, you see, to bring you make, even without you typing money, you just type make it. It's the AI of YouTube begins to bring something that you are similar, that you need, that people have already entered, searched for. So make money online. Let's say you want your title on YouTube to be make money online. Now you come and just type make, and it will show you make money online. Okay, make money online 2021, make money on Instagram. Let's say you want something online. Okay, they can go for this tool. You can use the first one, and so you just, that's before you upload your YouTube video. This thing is very, very essential. Then you come to your YouTube. Okay, you're on YouTube already. Sorry about that. You're already on YouTube, so you just come. I shouldn't come here, so let me go. So you just come here. Since you now know the title, you click on, so you upload your video and you search for it and you put it. It is coming on. I'm not uploading any video. I'm just trying to show you before you upload your video. Even before you start recording your video, search these things online. It will guide you to know how to structure your title. Okay, so and that is that. Okay, there are other ways to do this, other professional way, but just make it the simplest way to do it and free. You're not paying it. Just so simple is this way I just showed you right now. Okay, let's say you are a musician. Let's say Lord, you are great, or you are great. Okay, let's say for musician, because anything you are doing, even when you dream and your song comes to you, because the area of music could be hard, but it's not hard. Let's say you dream and your song, and God gives you a song, or a song came to you with a title about how great God is. You can come on. I want to put that song, the video online on YouTube. You have to search for this. It will help your video to be watched and be liked by people you don't know faster than the people who know you. Please play this video to hear what I just said. Say, you are great. Let's type you are great. You are, see, you are now, okay, you are. It is bringing, you are the reason, you are my sunshine. Now, just type it, you are great, and let's see. You see, you are great, Steve Grant lyrics. So you are great. Now you can type that. Of course, that is a popular song. Let's say your song, the title of your song is not even. it's not even has not even been searched by anyone before. What title are we going to use now? Let's say it's your title. Of course, if you put something even show though. I'm seeing Bruno. Are you getting me? Now, what I'm trying to say is this: no matter the title you have that comes to you about your song, and you want to put it on YouTube or any platform, Facebook, try to look for the title people are searching on that platform. But now we're talking about YouTube. You can apply this anywhere. No matter the title, search for something like that. And then before you type in the title, like YouTube, now you have to type in the title, but for Facebook, you don't. So other platform, you have to, like Udemy and all that. Search for the title. That will make it similar to that. You can change it. Don't tell me this is how God gave it to you. Okay. And now some will say, this guy is an antichrist. Listen, listen. Now you love God, but you love God too. But you see, we need wisdom in these things, okay? Now see, I used to let me just share a story with you. It will help you. I'm almost done with that, but listen to this story. It will help you. I used to say, okay, for instance, okay, by God's message, I have a dry cleaning firm. I lead a dry cleaning firm. I have great vision for that business or company. Now, the name of that business before was Holy Rock Dry. Holy Rock Laundry and Dry Cleaning Services. Now, at the point when I chose this name, please just listen. I want to tell you something. For those who don't know about this, I didn't know anything. I didn't know that even to search a title for your book, for your movie, even while you have to depend on God, you still have to be creative to know that this is okay. Now, then we did the flyer, we shared the flyer. Then I didn't know even that name was too long, although it's too long, of course. As years goes by, I began to hear lessons, read books about title. So wow, I begin to thank God at this point I've not registered that name with CAC. If not, it would have been another issue. So so now, but finally, I said, okay, I will go with Holy Rock. After some years though, Holy Rock Dry Cleaners or Holy Rock London. Okay, I chose Holy Rock Dry Cleaners because my name is, people know me more as Holy Rock. But when we now went to register this business, Holy Rock Dry Cleaners was not available. So I chose Fortune Dry Cleaners. I chose this one, no one. I chose me. I said, people don't answer the one name finish. So people have taken all the names. And our lawyer who was helping us to do that came up with, now, where am I going to? Even if you dreamt and you saw Holy Rock Dry Cleaners, and you say this God gave me this name, stay there. Stay there. What about when you want to go and register it and it's not available? What would you do? So the man searched and the options came, and when he showed me all those names, I didn't like them. But when I saw Expert Pro Dry Cleaners, I said yes. This, in fact, I love that name so much. Expert Pro. Now, so when you say God gave me the title, this is the title of my song, of my book, of what I want to put on YouTube, my brother. See. So I rest my case there. You can think about it. So this is how to search for what people are searching for. Okay. Now let's say maybe I have 2 YouTube channels. Let me see which one is okay. This one is sexual purity. Okay. This one is, please, you can subscribe. On this place, I teach how to stay free from masturbation, fornication. I know that most of you don't want to hear me say, you want to teach me how to stop fornication. No, let me enjoy myself. I must do. Stay there. Be doing all the ones you are going to have. So that is by the way. So before now most of these titles you see are being searched for. Some are not. You know, it's not a must, but it is good, you know, all these things. Okay, so and after this video, I'll be showing you why you need to make this type of. You see, this most people don't have this on this wall. It's in my hand now, the YouTube. They only have pictures. They don't have this, and of course, this is very hard to do. I'm telling you, this is very hard because I've not really seen the templates. This is hard. I'm telling you, but we can do for you if you call us. So, but the video I am doing now will not come here. If you come here, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. So I'm switching to my other YouTube channel where I will be posting this video where I teach about online stuff. I know so many things online, but I've not even done that. I've not had a chance to post them. But as I'm seeing people subscribe, share, like, comment, and I feel encouraged to do more. Although I'm not moved by what you do, I'm moved by God. But those things also that are good. They also encourage us. So, like this one now, this how to make. I searched for it. This one, how to. Did I search for it? I can't remember whether I did or not. So you see, most of this before I come, I search. It's just so simple. Come on, just okay, this is what how to make. Okay, let's say how to make. Let's say you want to make thumbnail for YouTube. So thumbnail. You don't just come and just type thumbnail. Okay, or just use anything that. So you need to understand. Come here, have some idea. Okay, thumbnail tutorial YouTube. You know, used to come then have an idea of what we use, especially to make a title. Then your title, like this one here, this here, your title, this how to make can be different from, can be slightly different from what is on your thumbnail. It can be slightly different. It doesn't need to be the perfect thing, the same, but you can change it. It also helps to drag traffic to your channel. So ladies and gentlemen, with this few points of mine, I hope I've not confused you, but convinced you why you need this. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Okay, and Lord bless you. Okay, thank you so much. I remain Professor Holy Rock. Till God brings me your way again. I am Professor Holy Rock, and I'm saying remain digitally inclined.